subscribe, and share.
Hey guys, guess what we have? We got a wood chipper. We have got a lot of trees that need to come down with a lot of branches. So this right here is a fantastic way to be able to use those branches instead of piling them up and burning them. We're going to shred them so we can use them on the garden and in the barn with the animals. We're getting started on it. There's actually fewer pieces of this than what I thought there would be. Thankfully, the majority of it is put together. Got the motor, part of the chute, some more of it, the instructions and the bolts, and the tires. I'm really excited for this. Alrighty, we're making some progress here. We've got the tires on, and he's putting the chute on where the chips come out. Alrighty, it's put together. Getting its first initial fill up with gas. Then comes the fun part. I get to play. Hey, I'm going to try this. I've never used a wood chipper, never tried to start one. So y'all may see me make a fool out of myself. Wouldn't be the first time. Turn that on, and
flip it over.
this is going to be one of my new favorite toys. I've been looking forward to this thing coming out of the box for a long time. See all that brush and trees back there? We have got a lot of trimming to do. So I can use this for my garden and to put in the animal shed whenever we get them. I'm a happy camper today. See you guys on the next video. Like and comment.
Like, subscribe, and share.